Alright guys, so have you got a error like this when you going to install Unity for the first time on your new MacBook? So I got this error. So I installed Unity Hub and everything fine, but when I go to open my project, I got this error. So this is a error that is stuck on the loading screen. So let's see what is the problem. So the problem is there is a application need to a supportive application so called Rosetta. So we don't have that applications in currently our MacBook. So that's the problem to stuck on loading screen on Unity. So to install this software, we have to I search on the internet and I found there is a options to install on terminal, but I'm not going to do that. So I just go to App Store and install this application. So why I'm doing this, because when I'm installing this application, this application needed this software, okay, that Rosetta. So after install this, when you open first time on your MacBook after installed, you will get a pop-up like this, okay. So you just need to install this button, tap on this button, and everything is will install automatically. So after that you just need to go to your Unity Hub. Maybe you can restart the Unity Hub, and after that just open your project, and trust me, this will work. And don't think like this is a scam or something. Like, this is working. So this is how I figure out this, and you can try. And yeah, hope this will help you to fix this error. Thank you.